Hello guys, if you do want to take full page screenshots and record your screen, so the best Google Chrome extension that I can find on internet is explain and send screenshots. This is a very free extension. If you directly type this explain and send screenshots, this extension will come. You can actually capture video, image, everything, and it has a fully fledged editor as well. So you simply add this extension to Chrome. So once it is successfully added, the icon will appear right here. So let me just activate this. So explain. So you just activate this. So now if you go to any website, let's suppose I go to google.com. So this can be any website. You simply toggle this extension and the icon will appear. You can select an area, you can entire page, you can record screen. Let me say entire page. So it will take a screenshot of this entire page, and then you can edit this by using their own editor. You can highlight something like this. You can select the size. You can write something. You can highlight here as you can see. And then if you are done, you can actually download this picture inside your locally. So it can take the entire page screenshot instantly. And let's suppose you do want to capture a specific area. So right here, from here you select it, which area you do want to select. And as you see, that area has, you can download now the only that specific area, and it has taken the screenshot. And then you can even record video as well. So record screen, so you allow the permission. Basically it is recording the screen. So you select entire screen. So now as you see, it is recording your screen, and you click on stop sharing. So so in this easy way guys, you can use this extension. It's quite simple to actually. So now this is the video is successfully created. You can download this video. So I think it's a perfect extension, Google Chrome extension, if you're looking forward for. So definitely check this out.